Polina Kravchenko of the Ukraine now getting on to the balance beam. What do you say to Victoria after she finishes the event and you want to get her to the next rotation?
Well, what I would say is,
come over to the next.
Right. I would use an American expression, which is "it ain't over till it's over," and just basically keep a young person from being too satisfied.
Keep them in check.
Keep them in check, because that's one of the real hallmarks of maturity, is understanding that the struggle continues right through the end, and you can feel very satisfied with the accomplishment that's already been made. But the truth is that all you need is one bad performance on one of the two remaining rotations, and that's that. Then again, we're only in the qualifier. As long as Khmulova makes it to the final, that's really the key. And
judging by performance so far, it certainly looks like the girls focused and definitely at a very, very high level of competition. Talking of which, Kravchenko struggled a bit, but finished off with a simple dismount and has done fairly well for her own confidence, I guess.
Absolutely.